Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 13th group would like to present our presentation about class management. And the presenter me, Khoirin Nuril I, and my friend
Lailiyatul Qudsiyah.
Me, Nindy Putri Octaviara.
And I'm Vira Faridatut D.
Okay, let's start for the first slide. We will discuss about first grade book, lesson planning, scheduling, quiz scratcher, behavior management, and miscellaneous. Okay, for the first is the role of technology. Nowadays, technology has become a major driving force in our life. We are mostly doing our tasks through technology, such as making phone call, traveling distance places, making daily food, and handling various works. We use technology at home, in the office, at schools, and everywhere. For education, technology helps it to grow and develop faster. But based on Right 20 and 13, technology may never be able to replace human teacher to educate. So the technology has become the crucial one for driving our life, such as a phone call, traveling distance, and etc. And we can use it for example, at home, in the office, at schools, and everywhere. But the technology cannot replace for the human being. Okay, next is delivered by Nindy.
Okay, next is about tools that may help in teaching and learning process. If we are talking about teaching and learning process, it is always related to the management of classroom, because based on John and his friend stated that managing the class is very important because a better classroom management is an important component in creating an effective classroom environment. So, the effective classroom environment will be created if the classroom management is well arranged. So, in this session, we will look at some tools that are available on the internet that can help us store students' learning progress information, communicate with students and parents, distribute quizzes, making wikis, sharing files, building class web, scheduling, and etc. So, in this session, we will talk about some tools that may help us in the teaching and learning process. So here, the teacher can arrange the activities or the lesson plan and anything based on the technology. So the first tool is Ingrid. So this tool is the grade book, or the teacher can use it to organize and keep track of both individual and class performance on a regular basis. In this tool also, the families of students are given have about 24 hours in a day to access the web about to see the development of the student and to see the score of the student. And on the messaging feature, the teacher can communicate with the parent of the student. So here this is can help the teacher have a simple communication, empowering student, and also keeping up with the objective, educating productive members of the community. So this is the look of the Ingrid tools. So you can click this tool, log into Ingrid, and if you are still confused about this tool, you can learn more. Click learn more about Ingrid. And the next, this is still about grade book. The name of this tool is Learn Boost. This tool also quite the same with Ingrid. This tool is manage their classroom by offering an amazing grade book software for managing and creating lesson plans, tracking attendance, maintaining schedule, integrating Google Apps, including calendars, taking of common core standards, and so much more. So, in here, it is the same with Ingrid. So, the teacher can create lesson plan, tracking attendance, and anything through this tool. And this is the look of Learn Boost. So you can click on the URL www.learnboost.com, and then you can directly log in if you have an account before. But if you are yet to have an account, so you can click join now. Yeah, this is the function of Learn Boost. Yeah, so it can be the gradebook. The teacher can arrange the lesson plan. The teacher can keep in touch with the parent and the student itself, and then it also can be connected with the Google Apps. And then the next is the lesson builder. So this is the tool to arrange the lesson plan. So the teacher can access this web by clicking the lessonbuilder.org. This tool have so many benefits. The first is customizable template. So the teacher can customize the template just up to the teacher itself. And then the next is automatic professional formatting. So the teacher can use this tool by using the format by this tool itself. And then the next benefit is access anywhere. Yeah, this tool can be accessed anywhere. So the teacher do not need to worry whether about the last version or the newest version is cannot be saved or accessed anymore or not. So about the latest or the newest version, it can be accessed anywhere. And then the fourth benefit is easy sharing. So this tool can easily share the URL for each lesson and unit that the teacher built. So this is very unique, and it means that the teacher can share the work with the administrator without sending a clunky attachment, and the teacher and the administrator, will always have the most up-to-date version if you make changes. So the teacher do not need worry about the URL because the administrator will always have the most up-to-date version if we make a change. So the next benefit is common core integration. So here the teacher no need to wait through an 80-page PDF to ensure your lesson and units are aligned with the common core. So the teacher can select the standards that the teacher meet from the list that applies to the teacher, grade, and subject to have them automatically included in the plan. So this is the look of the lesson builder. So just click create account, so we can write our email and password if we have an account. But if we do not have the account, so click create account. And then next is Lesson Pro. This is same tool with previous one because the purpose of this tool is for making the lesson plan. So in the Lesson Pro, the teacher also create an online learning activities. So in the Lesson Pro, the teacher can arrange the activities online based. So the teacher only need to share the URL to the student, and in the Lesson Pro is provided to educators and others that interested in online learning at no cost by Strategic Studies Corporation. So this is no cost for another that interest in the online learning. And this is the look of Lesson Pro. If you are the teacher, just click as the teachers, and if you are the student, just click as the students. And then the third is lesson plan maker. This tool is the same with the previous tools. This is aimed also for arrange the lesson plan. And in this tool, it is very easy to use because we are only fill the columns and save it directly. So this is the look of this tool. Here we are directly fill the column like the date, teacher's name, grade level, subject, and etc. And we can directly save it by clicking generate lesson plan. So our lesson plan is created on this tool.
Okay, for next is scheduling. So for the first application or tool is Doodle. So what is Doodle? Doodle is online scheduling tool that can be used quickly and easily to find the date and time to meet with multiple people. So from Doodle we can make a schedule for meet another people, and the part of Doodle are first is scheduling, second is propose time, third is choose setting, and the last is invite participants. For the scheduling, we can input our data, maybe about what is the date, or maybe the place, or etc. And for the purpose time, we can input maybe the specific time and the objective of the scheduling or meeting. And the third is choose setting. It's like there are multiple choices in there, so we can input some data. And the last is invite participants. We can invite the people who wants to meet for us. And this is the look of Doodle. So you can input the data in here, and after that you can invite the participant, and then so you can save the data. The next is BookFresh. It's similar with Doodle, online scheduling system for small business that enables new and existing clients to schedule appointments online any time of day or night. So the function of BookFresh actually same with Doodle. What is the function is to make a scheduling to meet with clients or other people. This is the look of BookFresh. You can directly sign in here. If you confused about the tutorial or this application, you can click get started here. Okay, next is schedule once. This is same with both of scheduling tool like Doodle and BookFresh. This is schedule once, and this is just simple application. You can sign up like here, and you can also input the data. And next is the next of the data that you want to input. Okay, next is delivered by Lily.
And the next is Quizstar. Quizstar is the tool from Quizmaker. Quizstar is application for educators which they use for planning their lesson. This will be benefit for the teacher to be able to plan their work before they come to the class. And also Quizstar is in foreign language will benefit the whole universe by improving the spelling in grammar. So Quizstar is free application, and then it is multi-language. If we don't want to make quiz with English language, we can use in another language. This is the look of Quizstar. You can log in if you have an account, and if you yet have an account, you can sign up. This is the example after we make a quiz. This is about biology and this is about math lesson. And the next is Classmaker. Classmaker is used by some of the world's leading business and educators. After reviewing our leading Quizmaker tool, thousands of businesses, educators, teachers alike rely upon and appreciate our dedication to security, professionalism, and customer care. Quizmaker actually before the teacher find this application, the application have already by the businessman. And then this is the look of Classmaker. It is same with Quizstar. If you have an account, you can log in, and if you yet have an account, you can sign up. This register is free.
Okay, let's move to the behavior management. For the first is Class Dojo. Class Dojo, what is it? Classroom management platform for teachers, parents, and students. Class Dojo helps teachers to encourage specific classroom students' behaviors through real-time teacher-to-students feedback through web and mobile device. So this Class Dojo is an application that has function to monitoring the students with the parents or with the teachers itself. And this is the look of Class Dojo. Same with Schoology or Edmodo. And this is, if you are signed up, you can sign up as a teacher, maybe as a parent, as students, or school leader. And this is the function. There are some features of Class Dojo. First is you can create a positive culture. Maybe you can upload for maybe another article or information, and then give students a voice. Students can vote or maybe give their voice here, and you can share moments with parents maybe. Next is warning sign. Actually, this application is same with Class Dojo or another application that has function to behavior management for students. But actually, we didn't understand yet about this application because the website is full of Japan, and yeah, there a picture here, and maybe this picture here, and maybe this is article or another information about this picture. But yeah, I'm sorry, we can explain more about this website. Next is timer or e.gigi timer or egg timer. It's a simple countdown timer or egg timer. Set a time and bookmark it for repeated use. This is like a timer for us as a teacher maybe. And this is the look of egg timer. You can start the timer maybe for minutes or what minutes. And the last is class grouping. This is application tool that has function to make a groups in random. So if you are a teacher, you can use this website or application. First, you can click this option, what number or what how many groups that you want to make. For example, it is 2 groups, and this you can input their number, your student's number. Your student's name. Then next, after that you can load names. Yeah. The next is delivered by Vira.
Okay, and the next is about the application which is used to make some worksheet. As a teacher, we need worksheet to check our students' understanding or to take their value of the lesson. And there are some application. For the first is worksheet generator. It is used to create the worksheet for our students. And in this worksheet generator, actually, after we make our worksheet, we can save it and we can download it, and then we can print it out to our students. And then there are 3 kinds of worksheet. For the first is matching worksheet generator, and then the second is sorting worksheet generator, and the last is word scramble. Okay, matching worksheet generator. Over here we can look the example. It is used to make the worksheet with the form of matching the word. So this is appropriate for some topics like collocation, opposite, synonyms, famous buildings and cities. So the students need to do is only match the word in the right column and in the left column. And there is also an answer sheet of this matching worksheet generator. And then the second is sorting worksheet generator. The second kinds of worksheet generator, it is used to make the worksheet which the form is having the right table. So the students need to do is put the vocabulary over here to the right column. So it is good for some topics like parts of irregular verbs. Maybe the column can be write down as verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3, and also word stress and categorize. And then the third is word scramble. This is used to make the worksheet as the scramble word. So the students need to do is unscramble the word. So over here we can look the example. The vocabulary are scrambled, so the students need to do is unscramble the vocabulary and write over here. Okay, and the next is about worksheet creature. This is the second application. After you click the link which is provided in the Schoology, you will see this display. Yes, and here in the worksheet creature, it's not only provided about some worksheet, but also there are many media which can be used to teach our students like flashcard, song, and funny activities, so we can download it from the worksheet creature. But there are some flashcard or song we have to pay if we want to download it. And then here you see that there are a table of subject here, means that you only need to click the subject which you want to make the worksheet. So for example, we are the English teacher, so we click the subject of English here. And then the second is here also there is the grade level, so it is very useful for us as the teacher. We can only click the grade level which we want to make the worksheet. Here there are preschool, kindergarten until 6th grade. So this worksheet creature, it is actually used for making the worksheet for the young learners. Actually we don't know how to make the worksheet by our actually we don't know how to make our own worksheet in the website, because I've tried many times but I can't find the sign up, so I'm so sorry. And the last is about the worksheet checker. There are three big points here. First is grammar check and writing suggestion, plagiarism checking. And here for the grammar check, absolutely it is used to check the grammar and writing suggestion. And here there is plagiarism checking, meaning we can check our students plagiate or not to make the essay. It is the very simple way. There is only we need to copy and paste our essay below and put it in this box. We paste in this box, and then our script will be checked manually. Okay, this is actually the example of last time, the worksheet creature. After we only need to click the view and then we download, so we will get this worksheet to our students.
Okay guys, well done for our presentation. So okay, thank you for watching us and watching our video. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and hopefully you can enjoy and understand what the materials that we have already explained. And okay, enough for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.